Riverside County health officials reporting 92 new coronavirus cases today. That brings the countywide total to 3,735 cases. Good news tonight, the number of deaths remains unchanged at 141. Governor Gavin Newsom continues to urge California residents to stay the course during the stay-at-home order.
Virus has not gone away. Its virulence is still as acute. Its ability to be transmitted still is dominant. And so we, by no stretch, are out of the woods.
The governor also saying that we could be closer than we think to starting to return to normal here in the state as the increase in confirmed coronavirus cases and deaths appears to be stabilizing. News Channel 3's Jake Ingracia joins us live tonight with more on Governor Newsom's four-phase approach to reopening. Jake.
Karen, good evening. That's right. The governor today saying that while we are flattening the curve here in California, we are still nowhere near to getting rid of coronavirus. That said, however, the governor did say today that we are just a few weeks away from potentially reopening some retail businesses and schools. Let's get right to his four stages. Here is stage one, the phase that we are currently in right now. In the stay-at-home order, working toward flattening that curve and increasing testing, as well as protective equipment and hospital capacity. But the governor says that we could be just weeks away from stage two, when lower risk places can start to reopen with adaptions. That includes retail with curbside pickup, manufacturing, and offices. All right, stage three, the governor says, is months, not weeks away. This is where things really start to get back up and running, including personal care businesses like gyms, spas, and salons, sports without live audiences, and close contact businesses included there as well. And finally, stage four, the end of the stay-at-home order and the reopen of the highest risk parts of our economy like concerts, convention centers, and sports with live audiences.
We're still by no stretch of the imagination out of the woods there. It's just stable. We're not seeing substantial declines, but again, California and Californians know we never experience the big surge that other parts of the globe and certainly other parts of our country had. But the stabilization is a point of some cautious optimism.
Yeah, a cautious approach for sure, but a bit of hope there from the governor today. Especially for those businesses just a few weeks from reopening. The governor also today mentioning that the state is considering starting school up again as early as late July. Details coming up at 6 about when Valley schools could possibly be reopening. Live from home tonight, Jake Ingracia, News Channel 3.